Good morning, Newman Knights. Thank you, and welcome back to day 7 of first 20 days of school. Today, we're going to talk about assembly behavior, especially regarding our Friday flag salute, which is coming up as well. So, as always, let's remind ourselves our 3 Bs. All right, Knights, I hope you're ready. What are our 3 Bs? B, B, and B. Awesome job. So, during Friday flag salute, I actually see your faces. That's awesome. Thank you. All right. So, being respectful during assembly or our Friday flag salute means we respect all speakers by listening quietly. And I know you guys are doing that right now. Thank you. And clap when appropriate. There are times when it's okay to clap. We're celebrating, but make sure that you're doing it at the right time, at the right place. Let's be responsible during Friday flag salute. Follow all instructions from the adults. Track the speaker. Slant. What's slant? If you know what slant means, can you tell your partner next to you right now really quietly? If you don't know what it is, let's go over what slant means together. Slant is a strategy that we use in AVID. It stands for sit up. Can everyone try that? Sit up. Lean forward. Ask questions. Nod head. And take notes. That's a good strategy that we could use to be a great listener. We're being active listeners. Not only does it make me feel better when I'm talking in front of you and you're doing a slant, I'm like, oh, well, wow, these people are listening. But it helps you as a listener. You could remember what you heard and you could take all the information that you need to remember. Also, participate when asked to. If the speaker is asking you a question or if they're asking you to raise your hand, let's make sure we're paying attention and we're participating. Stay in your assigned area. During flag salute, we shouldn't be walking around. We shouldn't be running around, but we need to stay where we're supposed to be with our class. Let's be safe during Friday flag salute. Let's make sure we walk quietly at all times. Keep our hands, feet, and objects to ourselves. Sometimes, in an assembly or flag salute, things might go a little bit long and it gets really boring sometimes, I know. But we need to make sure that we're being respectful and safe by keeping our hands to ourselves and not touching anyone around us. And make sure to walk. All right. Now, at the end of Friday flag salute, please look for your teacher for direction. They will let you know when it's time to walk and also which way we're walking. Make sure we exit in a straight line instead of going zigzag, making a snake. We gotta walk straight. All right, that is it for our respectful, responsible, and safe behavior during our Friday flag salute. Everyone, let's remind ourselves of our 3 Bs one more time before we say goodbye. Ready? B,
Respectful,
B,
responsible.
and B. I think I heard safe. Thank you so much. It's so good to hear your voice. Thank you for participating. Remember, that was part of being responsible and respectful. So have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining us and staying with us the whole time. I'll see you out there, Knights.